guys, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do this summer glam Chloe blinding look, and watch this video to get to know what highlighter this is. I'm gonna tell you, I have some first impressions in here, and this is a first impression product. So this video includes so many surprises, and I know you're gonna like this. So enjoy me in my bedroom with my robe on, and let's get started. Oh hey guys, so let's start off this video by an announcement and by a big thank you. So as you can see, this little new thing here, it's not here for no reason, you know. I won the second place in Estonian video blogs this year. So I'm really happy, and I'm so thankful for you, and I got the results, and can you believe over 1,300 people voted for me. So I'm literally, I didn't know the number is gonna be that big. Like the percentage of the people that follow me and voted for me is really big, so I'm so thankful for all of you. I'm wearing a glam robe, that's what I feel like. It's 100% silk, and I feel like, you know, I just want to do it like that. I don't want to even say anything. So I'm gonna use the Kiko primer, and let's start off with that. I mean, actually it's not even morning, it's like 4 p.m. and I'm still in the robe. But the thing is, I haven't been like sitting still. I've been doing so many things, and Skype meetings, emails, all that stuff. So that's so funny how people think that when you're a YouTuber you don't really do anything. Okay, and I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and it's finally my tone. Finally, after the traveling. You know, I have to do work to actually get this tone, you know. And here's actually a big reason I'm gonna use this foundation. You might think like, summer high coverage foundation, what the hell are you thinking? But no girl, with this foundation you can literally go to sauna, you can go to swimming, and it's not coming off, and that's the reason. Plus it looks so natural. I mean, it has its price, it's over 40 euros in Estonia at least, but there is no better one than this. You just have to know that. Okay, let me turn on my glam mirror too. So this is how weirdly I usually apply foundation. Oh, it's so good. Just because I had my sunglasses on for the whole vacation, my cheeks are so light still. I have filmed so many videos ahead that I think when you actually see this video, this prize has been there for a while. That's the YouTuber life, like you always have to be ahead of time. Actually, not even YouTuber. If you want to do any kind of business, you gotta be ahead of the time. So you can see how natural looking this is. Okay, but now let's jump to something new. This is the Essence Camouflage Concealer. I think it's pretty light for now, but I'm still gonna try it out. And ooh, it's really light. It is camouflage, you know, it is what it says. Essence has been such a surpriser for me. I never thought it's the company I'm gonna really continue using like that. And I think it came out in their new summer and spring collection. So get your hands on that. So let's go on to the brows. The brows, I'm not gonna do on camera. I'm gonna use the regular things as I always use. And it's the Anastasia Brow Wiz and Pupa Brow Gel. Okay, so the brows are done, and I'm gonna use the Isadora matte fixing powder to set my face. I'm gonna use this big brush under my eyes and on the places where it really needs to be fixed, you know? And then the little Artico buffing brush for all the places around. And as you can already tell, it's so much better, and literally my face is so soft as well. Look what I bought! I bought the Benefit Cheek Parade. You have different blushes and bronzers here. Hoola Light as well, but Hoola Light for me right now is too light. So I'm gonna use the typical Hoola, and it smells so good. And I literally want to do a review on that so bad, because I haven't really seen any reviews on that, especially about the packaging, about the collection here, about the brush, about the products itself, everything. So if you want that, then please click on the info button and vote for that. So now I'm gonna use the typical Hoola and just work it around here. I like how soft it is. but it's also at the same time really blendable. I usually like the bronze all around here, around my face. It's like tuned to number 3, which you have seen all over the internet, I'm pretty sure. Then let's go back to Essence and their new spring and summer collection. It has a blush, a highlighter and some eyeshadows. And I mean, basically you can use everything in this palette as eyeshadows, as bronzer, not a bronzer, but highlighter. So I'm gonna try and use this one. Let me do a little swatch. Oof. It's sateen but feels a bit creamy. Oh, can you see this little pinky down? Oh, it's nice. Oh, but they also have this highlighter, so I'm gonna try this out right away. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm not ready. Are you kidding me? This is blinding! And I didn't take much at all. As I've never used it before, you know, I'm just gonna take a little. Oh, my cheeks are like glass. Look at this. Okay. Oh, orgasm. No way, like no way it's doing this. Like Essence, you're such a surpriser every time I touch a new product from you. Can I say something bad about this? Honestly, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. It has like dew dots in it. Can you see, like it's a bit frosty but then golden. Wow guys, like this is my new favorite. I'm not even kidding, this is my new favorite. I think it's only €5 and you get so many things and colors, so I'm speechless. Like this video is getting serious right now. It was all jokes until now. Oh, I can't stop looking. Okay, another new product from Essence is the Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder. So I thought, you know what, as it's lighter, I'm just gonna apply a bit from here and here. So let's try. Oh, yeah, can you see it? Adds like this little glow, which is nice. But every time I turn my head, it's like highlighter just in your face. Sorry if it's too blinding and you have to wear sunglasses while watching this video. Okay, but let's move to eyes. I'm gonna use the Essence new eyeshadow base. Now what's new in the Essence summer and spring collection are also these mini eyeshadows. I mean, you can buy them separately. If I'm not wrong, one of the single eyeshadows was only $1.79. I'm gonna put this in the middle, add this to the edges and then work a bit with these as well. So I'm gonna take this NYX palette and use the lighter from the new Lingerie palette. Okay, now I'm gonna take this color right here. I'll put it on this side and inner side, but I leave the gap right in the middle. I'm gonna take the darkest shade and put it right here. Okay, this is a bit patchy and not that pigmented. And I'm gonna put some in the inner corner as well. But be really careful while doing this part because you don't want to get it too messy. Maybe even take the smaller brush or something. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out. Let's see if it gets better. Okay, it does get better. Let me try to add a little bit of the darker shade with a smaller brush. The smaller brush actually takes the shadow much better. I'm gonna take this color with a small brush and apply it right in the middle. Okay, so I added a little bit of the dark color under my eyes. So I would say about the eyeshadows that for the bright range it's really okay, but they are definitely not the best, and I didn't think they are the best, but just some Essence products have surprised me much more than these. Okay, now the most exciting thing, which is the Essence new mascara. I'm just gonna open it as quickly as possible because the last mascara I've been using every day, every single day, and I'm not lying. Oh, yes, just get on my lashes. You can already see the difference so much. I haven't even covered all the lashes. Oh my god, mascara always makes so much sense. Just look how pretty the eyes are now. I literally just love mascara. This mascara so much. I was thinking that if this doesn't work well, then I'm gonna put on some fake lashes because, you know, it's still the glam makeup, but literally no need for that. This is so good and you can still see the eye makeup. So we go back, quickly do the eye and face palette, and we take a little bit of this highlighter, apply it to the tear dot, and on the brow bone. Ooh, that's nice. Oh yes, girl, work it. And you know what, as Kylie Cosmetics, Jeffree Star just released their new collections, and basically they all had this kind of purple in the collection. So I thought, you know what, I have a very similar color, but by Kiko. So I'm gonna use this, and as it seems to be the new trending color, so let's see. And you see the pigment is good. I'm so sad Kiko is not in Estonia. I mean, I should bring it here. Boom! We are ready! Paradise. To change my robe for, you know, something a little bit clothes. Anyway, I really hope that you liked this video and you enjoyed this look. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want more makeup tutorial, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. We just hit 7,000 followers there, and it's my favorite app. Thank you for supporting me there. All the travel pictures, fashion pictures, makeup pictures, everything is there, and I post a lot on the Instagram story as well, so you can see my daily life. I'm so happy that you watched it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!